What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Saturday and we are going camping. We're going to do a overnight trip with a couple of buddies of mine, and we're going to go up to Indian Boundary Recreation Area, which is my favorite campground. We're going to walk around the lake, probably do a little bit of fishing, send the drones up. So it's going to be awesome. The weather's going to be good today. I don't know about tomorrow. I think we've got some rain coming in, so you'll have to watch the end of the video and see if we get rained on. We probably will get rained on. But yeah, we're gonna have fun.
I figured Aaron would probably I'm not a big
Fishing
fisher.
rod? Well, I mean, I like to have it, and if there's a body of water.